Hello, my friends in Mrs. Barnhart's class. Hello, how are you? It is Mr. Bray, your technology teacher. I don't know if you remember me. It's been so long since you were in my class. I wanted to post our coding update. So for the entire length of the time that you are all in my class, we work in a program called Codable. It's our coding website. So what I do is I keep track of all the lines coded by not just our friends in kindergarten, but our friends in all the grades. And we have this awesome bulletin board out front. So if you are a student who is at home, you can see what out front of our technology room looks like. And there is the top coder posted for each class, which we'll get to for Mrs. Barnhart's class. And then I have the total number of lines coded by all day 4 students. And that's all the way, it's actually on the ceiling. You guys were amazing. So for the day 1 students, we coded 51,935 lines of code. Just amazing, amazing work. I'm so proud of you guys. So I'm going to go through the top 5 coders in order from 5th to 1st. So our first is number 5, Graham, with 128 lines of code. Awesome job, Graham. In 4th place, Ashley, with 153 lines of code. Way to go, Ash. In 3rd place, Alisher, my good buddy, got by Ashley by just 1 line of code. 154 lines for Alisher. Awesome job, dude. Number 2, Layla, with 161 lines. Layla, an amazing, amazing job. And for our 1st place top coder of Mrs. Barnhart's class, it is Lily, with just getting by Layla with 163 lines of code. Awesome job to everyone. Here, our top 5 is listed, and as a class, just your class did 2,150 lines of code in our short 5 or 6 weeks together. I'm so proud of everyone. Hope you're enjoying your next special, and I can't wait to get you guys back in my class next year. Have a great day. See you, friends.